In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the template center in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to get the most out of their templates, this guide will offer a straightforward walkthrough to make sure you can breeze through setting up your projects efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's official website. It's the all-in-one app to help you manage your work, so make sure you're on the genuine site for the best experience. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login button located at the top right of the homepage. This will lead you to the login page. If you've linked your Clickup account to your Google account, go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This option streamlines the login process by letting you use your Google credentials, so you'll find it quite convenient. You'll be prompted to select your Google account from a list. If there are multiple accounts signed in on your browser, simply click on your associated account to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the template library. Look towards the top left of your Clickup interface. You should notice your profile icon there. Click on this icon as it will drop down a menu of options for you. Here you'll want to hover over the Apps section. This step is crucial because it reveals more options related to integrations and tools within Clickup. As you hover, a submenu will appear. Click on Template Center. The Template Center is your gateway to a plethora of pre-designed templates catering to various needs, from project management to invoicing. Take a moment to appreciate this selection as it can really boost your productivity. You now have the power to either browse through the templates manually, or if you already have specific needs in mind, you can type directly into the search bar. The search functionality is robust and supports keywords, making it easy to find templates that suit your immediate requirements. As you explore, keep in mind that templates are a framework to help streamline your workflow, but they can be customized to better fit your needs. That's all there is to it. By effectively using the template center in Clickup, you can save time and ensure consistency across your projects. Now you're ready to utilize these powerful tools to manage your tasks like a pro. Thanks for tuning in and happy templating.